what are some of the most common, issues and questions that you see from traders, and how hard is it, or how long does it take, for someone to fix some of those issues, or get through some of, those questions that people have, which lead into larger issues?
Yep. And so, man, I would say I've seen people struggle with everything under the sun. Um, Everyone comes in with their own personalities, their own experiences, their own tendencies. There's people that are extremely risk averse. Then there's people that are just gung ho, shotgun approach, trade everything and burn through a bunch of money. And it's kind of funny because I think when you start with a raw, fresh trader, it tells so much about that person. Who's the person that's like willing to immediately just jump in and get trading? For me, it's like, oh, let me read the manual first. I'll just read the trading manual, then maybe I'll place it, like, because that's
Right.
just my personality. And then you find the people that like the thought of risking $5, all they can think about is a $5 bill or a $20 bill or a $100 bill. And for whatever reason, uh, I think something that helped me was like, not that I had money at the time, but like for me, money, the P&L was always it was just a number on the screen. I never thought of it as money. And like you would get these guys and they just couldn't detach from oh my God, like if I lose $200, that's $200 out of my pocket. And you can never have you can never achieve as much if you're always tied to that. It's a chain weighing you down. Not that you can't be successful, but you can't jump as high until you say, like, I'm free from this need. I don't need this money. And then you have people that overtrade and almost like some of the gamblers where they just need the action and they need to be proven right. And there will be people where you're gonna like probably one of the first indicators is this person going to make it is when you give them a playbook and you say the first step to learn anything is this is our playbook. Everything else is not going to work. Just trust me. Everything else you do, like, ooh, stock's going up, I think this is a buy, that's a sell. Everything you do is going to fail. It's not going to work. But in these couple situations, these very niche situations where nuances A, B, C, D, and E are true, you're going to have a little bit of edge there. And when A, B, C, and D are true, the way to capture it is you buy here, your stop is that, and that's the trade. And so quickly, you see the people that are able to say, like, okay, I trust Lance. I'm going to explicitly follow that instruction. I understand that if I don't do what Lance says, I'm going to lose money. And if I do it, maybe it's going to make sense. And so many people, then when you're released, like, okay, stock of universe of stocks, go do what I just told you. There's the people that do the trades anyways. And you say, hey, why were you doing that? That didn't fit A, B, C, and D, right? Like, C is this. Well, it doesn't fit C. And they're like, yeah, but I kind of thought it was going to go up because the market felt like it was ready to pop. And you're like, yeah, but how'd that work out for you? Then after like 10 reps and they're losing money, you say, hey man, like we've got all these data points. Like what you're doing isn't working. Like, want to just kind of like just listen to what I'm trying to teach you? And so many people can't do it. And I don't know if it's like an ego thing or the need to be right and smart, but that's really common for a lot of traders where like, and even at the elite level, a lot of people have these ideas or theses in their head or these views. And that's not where I've seen anybody ever make money. The place where people make money is you have these ideas, but the technical pattern and the chart and everything is confirming it. Like it's fine to have a bias. If stocks are down 30% in 3 days, I'm not going to be thinking, ooh, this might be a good short. Of course, you're going to be long biased, right? But until that setup reveals itself, until A, B, C, and D show itself and fits your playbook to confirm your your long thesis, that's where the money's made, right? When thesis meets setup and meets price action, that's where people do well.